is why your brain sees sleep as dangerous, therefore preventing you from getting any sleep whatsoever, even when you feel like you're doing absolutely everything correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you why trying to make sleep happen often backfires, and the one shift that I made to start letting go and allow natural sleep to happen. And if you comment the word trust below, I'm going to share with you my 3-step guide on how I stopped chasing sleep and allowed sleep to happen naturally. This guide is so important if you want to recover from insomnia and start getting more sleep. So comment the word trust below. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Caitlin and I am the owner and creator of the Sleep Makeover Method. I have been helping people overcome insomnia, chronic insomnia, when nothing has worked before for them. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unstuck, why nothing is working so that you can start moving forward. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to start off by explaining what sleep efforts are, because that's a big part of what this video is about. Sleep efforts are anything that we are doing in the attempt to try to make ourselves sleep, try to maintain our sleep, to optimize our sleep, to try to control our sleep in any way, really. Sleep efforts give us this illusion that we can control sleep when it's actually a passive process. And what happens is the more we try to control sleep with these sleep efforts, we're telling our brain that there is danger because we're trying to fix something, we're trying to escape something. Plus you add the fear of not sleeping on top of that, that combination right there tells your brain there is danger out there. Your brain doesn't know that there's not an actual physical threat out there. But it knows, or it thinks there is danger. You got that fear, trying to fix and escape something, that combination right there. Now the reason your brain thinks sleep is dangerous is because if there is danger out there, your brain does not want you to go to sleep. Your brain is trying to help you survive. If there's a danger out there, let's say there's a bear running at you, is it safe to go to sleep? To go lay down, close your eyes, get into a deep, long sleep? No, it's going to put you at danger. And that is why every single night your brain is keeping you awake. The fight or flight is up, your hyperarousal is up, your brain doesn't want you to get sleep. And then this continues on and on and on because we continue to fear not being able to sleep. We continue to try to escape it. We continue to use these sleep efforts. Now, recovering from chronic insomnia is not about doing more. It's actually about doing less, letting go of those sleep efforts. That is how natural sleep is going to return on its own. So you could start to let go sleep efforts as you are ready, one at a time or all at once, whatever feels good to you. But with time, this will lead to more sleep. Now, a lot of things can be questionable about whether it's a sleep effort or if it's out of enjoyment and it feels good, like meditation or sipping a nice tea in the evening or doing deep breathing or whatever you do to try to relax in the evening. Those are usually the things that are a little confusing about whether it's a sleep effort or just because it feels good. Now, if it is out of an attempt to try to make sleep happen, like just calming activities like meditation, we do them to relax in the evening to try to make ourselves get sleep, right? That is a sleep effort. Normally, these are healthy, great things to do. But when it comes to chronic insomnia, we need to show our brain that we are safe. So we temporarily have to remove these sleep efforts. So your brain will start to realize you're safe. It'll deactivate that fight or flight system, and you will get more sleep. Now, if you are meditating or if you are doing these deep breathing practices or sitting with a cup of tea, cuddled up in a blanket, relaxing because it feels good, that is good. you can do it. That's absolutely fine. But you have to ask yourself, like, deep down, am I really doing this because I'm hoping it'll help me sleep better, help me get better sleep? Because it can be tricky, and we can try to like make ourselves believe that it's not, but really ask yourself that. And one thing you can do is, if you have one of these things like meditating, you're wondering like, deep down, really, is it because I'm trying to make myself sleep? You can ask yourself, if I wasn't trying to sleep right now, or if I wasn't trying to sleep this evening or whatever, would I still be doing this? Really think about it. You can journal on it if you like, but that can really help you filter out whether there is a deep down sleep effort tied to it. So that is it. If you want my 3-step guide to be able to let go of all that, slowly show your brain that you are safe, and start allowing natural sleep to happen, you can start doing this tonight. Comment the word trust below and I will send it to you personally on Messenger. That's it for today. Bye.